make money online. Months of SEO, expensive ads, complicated funnels. Total mess. But here's the truth nobody's telling you. The internet is full of assets people already abandoned. Valuable ones. And smart people? They're picking them up for $10 to $11, turning them into real income. That's what Buried Profits AI is about. Not theory, not hype. A system. You find expired domains with traffic. You rebuild them in minutes using AI, and you monetize. Affiliate, ads, leads, multiple streams. Very powerful. People ask, is it legit? Of course it is. The model's been around for years. This just makes it faster, easier, smarter. No coding, no waiting months, no guessing. Just a clear path. And frankly, if you're still starting from scratch in 2026, you're already behind. To know all about this product, visit theproductoasis.com and look up Buried Profits AI. Or just follow the link in the description below this video.